What is up, guys? Today I'm on my way to work. Unfortunately, didn't get much footage this week of riding, but had a really good weekend nonetheless. The man, the myth, the legend, BXD came out, aka Baker X Derek, and we had just had a really good weekend, man. We did some jamming, some partying, some drinking. Woke up Sunday morning and then we went out on Arson's dad's boat. I basically vlogged the whole thing, but yeah, not a lot of riding for today's video, but let me know what you guys think about this kind of stuff. I'm gonna put a little bit of our jam session in there, like maybe like a minute or two, and then I'll go to the boat stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Here it is.
And then you hit this, and then you just go like this, and you touch the button. And then it sounds like ass. And then you go like this, and then you kill it, and then you can see that it's still a piece of shit.
Woo!
Oh my god!
Got the beerz.
Got the beerz.
LA County Fire Department.
Where's Benny?
Got a seal. Hanging out with the seagull too. Wow. Come here, boots. Do stuff. Give her the look. It worked on the dog too. He came over here immediately. driving the boat. You can only tell from the shoes.
It's a ship, mother. It's a ship.
It's on a boat, it's a ship. Where are you taking us?
Going to Rainbow Harbor.
Rainbow Harbor?
Not getting out of the way.
He better get his 5-year-old
he's
out of
playing
the front.
chicken with us now.
He better get his 5-year-old out of the front.
Yeah.
Oh,
he's gonna
God.
throw him
I think our
overboard.
boat's a little
You
bit
guys-
bigger than his.
You guys are about to witness a murder in action live right here.
And by the way, Sub D's at the wheel, so you know.
Yeah, Sub D. Hey,
If this is in court right now,
if we're looking at this in a courtroom,
they got
okay,
lucky.
never
They got
mind.
lucky. He showed him mercy. He showed him mercy.
They go to live another day.
Over here, we have everyone that's trying to go out during the COVID-19 epidemic. They have no idea what they're doing. Maybe a couple of first dates, maybe a couple of second dates. We'll never know. But all I can tell you right here is that these people are the saddest people on the water right now. They immediately regretted the decision to ride a bicycle on the water.
You have masks on.
And these they literally masks on the water. They could not be further from humanity on a jet ski.
So we're not gonna fit on this bridge. We're gonna have to flip one. Flipping it. Flipping the turn right now. Go USA, baby.
Shark bait.
Some Titanic stuff right now. This is a pretty crazy feeling being up here, dude. It's like pretty insane.
Nothing
Yeah.
ahead of you. Down into the hole.
Most intense piss I've ever taken in my life. Yeah, it was a super fun weekend. Hanging out with the boys and Steph. Damn, hitting every red light. Hopefully I make it on time. Oh, it stopped counting the miles. Just went to my overall mileage now, which is 10,932. About to hit 11,000 on this bad boy. I've been commuting a lot more recently. Saving miles on the truck, just putting them on this. Getting on the freeway with style, baby. Yeah. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I don't really have much else to put out this week, so this is all I really had. But yeah, super fun weekend hanging out with Derek, Arson, Sub D, Steph, Z, Vince, and the rest of the crew. You know, it's just more of just kind of like a life vlog, like kind of what I like to do when I'm not riding, and you know, what we like to do as a group, you know, just hanging out and having a good time. But with that, I'm gonna end this one. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Want to thank everyone for the support. It's been awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.